back to my channel. Today I will be sharing the cloth and paper quilted agenda cover. So as you know, if you've been watching my unboxing videos and you follow me on Instagram, I've been creating different HP mini notebooks for different projects. And so my most recent one is actually a content planner slash like personal project planner. And so I wanted to get a cover for it. And so I purchased this one from Cloth and Paper. So let's open it up and then I will go over all the details. All right, so first things first, every cloth and paper agenda or agenda cover comes with a dust bag. This is the black quilted agenda cover in black leather, and it has gold hardware on it, the chevron pattern stitching, and it is 6.5 inches wide and 7.75 inches high. So this fits B6 notebooks that are 5x7, the HP mini discount notebooks, of course. And it says that it can be used with up to 1.25 inch discs. It also comes with this cover so that you can easily snap in your notebook. On the side, you have the 6 credit card slots, 1 passport pocket, and then you have 2 document pockets. And then there is 1 pen loop here. Again, you have the gold, and then here is the back. So I really love this pattern. It's very designer, and I just love the feel. So as y'all know, I already have the contoured agenda cover, and so I use this one for, right now I'm using this for my school notebook since I'm creating it. I do switch it out and use it for work whenever I do like an office visit since I'm currently working from home. And that way I keep my work notebook covered, but I think this is primarily going to be for my school notebook now, because I did switch to an Erin Condren Life Planner. But here are these two side by side, and I love both of these. So that is the agenda cover and just all of the different specs. And so now I'm going to add my content planner and then just some accessories in here so y'all can see what it looks like. So I have these papery planning stickers that I've been using in this planner, and I'm just going to add them up front to keep them together. And then I'm just going to snap in this cover. So let me actually take it out because I also want to show y'all the size difference. Okay, so here is the difference in sizing. So it's just a little bit smaller than the cloth and paper glass covers, but we're just going to tuck this in. And then here is what it looks like inside with some accessories. And then pen loop is behind here, but you can easily just pull it out and then add your pen. I'm just gonna leave it here. I don't really put pens in my pen loops, so let's close this up and that way y'all can see what it looks like. So here is the top. So everything fits in perfectly, even with the bookmarks. They just peek out just like barely over. Same with the tab dividers. And then I do have the 1.25 inch discs from Cloth and Paper. So that is the maximum that they suggest for this planner, and everything fits in perfectly. It easily closes, and it's just, I absolutely love this cover and how it looks. So that is the cover. And then I'm just going to do a quick flip of this planner with y'all so y'all can see how I've set it up. This is just going to be a very quick flip, but I have the Cloth and Paper glass CEO dividers in black, and under the first tab we have the horizontal weekly inserts. Under the second tab, we have the task delegation inserts from the Cloth and Paper sub box. Then I just added this planner card from Cloth and Paper because I feel like it pairs perfectly with this insert. Behind projects, we have the Gantt chart. In this tab, I have the Today dashboard dividing the Gantt chart with the project management inserts. I just cut off the Today because I didn't need it, but that way there's a little divider, and then I just have some sticky notes on here for reference. But we have that, and then I just have some few pages. After that, we have the finance tab, and I'm just using this right now to store the memo sampler. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep finance information in this. I'm probably going to use this for something else. After that, we have the goals, and then I have the goals inserts from Cloth and Paper. And then I'm using this to divide the monthly section. So I have the dated monthly inserts from Cloth and Paper in here. And I have the full year of monthly inserts, including the custom dashboard that I made. So these are the 2020 Cloth and Paper monthly inserts that I double-sided taped together so I can use as a monthly insert. And I just love how they all look with the tabs. And that way I have a spot to archive any sticky notes for any notes that I want to keep, and also place them for planning throughout the month. But we have the Monday Start monthly inserts. And then that is everything in this planner and how I've been using it. I love this setup. And that's everything. And so again, full year in here. But yeah, other than that, that is a quick flip through of my planner. And yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.